peeling the cassava for the pone.
Let's see.
Grating the cassava. Then I'll grate the ginger after, so we can make a nice cassava pone. Okay, grating the ginger, guys. Adding the ginger and cassava in the bowl. In this bowl we have 2 pounds of cassava and 1 piece of ginger. Now we are adding 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut. One stick of butter. Adding half a cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now we're mixing everything up together. Add in 2 teaspoons of milk. The cassava is all mixed up with all the rest of the ingredient. It's ready for the stove. We have some melted butter here to grease the pan. We're flipping it over. There you go. Looking good. We let it cook for a while. And some matcha for the kids. All great for me. This is good, very tasty, just like they used to make it in Guyana. Cassava pone, very delicious.
Enjoying it?
Oh yeah, very good. Oh, that looks good. Thanks for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. See you in the next video.